Hello everyone, this is Take It Daughter, and today I am going to Marayon Thong. So stay with me. Marayon Thong is located in Alikadam, Upazila of Bandarban district. Marayon Thong. It's Marayon Thong. Marayon Thong is 1650 meter high from the sea level, and it's beautiful, really beautiful. People come here for camping at night and to have the nice views of clouds in the morning floating nearby you. This is really nice environment. It's popular for the tourists. As you can see, the road is built with bricks, and I'm still riding through the plain roads, and soon I'll be riding through the vertical roads. It's risky in the monsoon. Still, I'm excited to reach at the top of Marayon Thong. So stay with me and enjoy the ride.